So let us take a very simple problem. X plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. So now you need to find the value of x and y which will satisfy both the equations. So first from equation 1, we get x is equal to 14 minus y. That is, you transpose y to that side, you get x is equal to 14 minus y. This value of x you substitute in the second equation. So in substitution method, get the value of one variable from the first equation, or you can also get it from the second equation. Get the value of one variable from one equation, then substitute in the second equation. So after you get the value of x, it should be substituted in the second equation. This is the second equation. So we got x equal to 14 minus y. That I have substituted here already the minus y. So we have eliminated by substituting the value of x, we have eliminated x. So now we are left with only y. So now this becomes a linear equation in one variable, not in two variable. We have reduced it to linear equation in one variable. So minus y minus 2y. On solving, you get 2y is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. So you got the value of y is equal to 5. So now, after getting the value of y is equal to 5, now we need to get the value of x. We have not yet got the value of x. So substitute the value of y is equal to 5 in any one of the equation. You can substitute in equation 1 or equation 2. So I have substituted in equation 1, x plus y is equal to 14, x equal to 9. Then you have to write down the answer as, this is very important. You have to highlight on the answer. Though you would have got the values, x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5. This is how you should conclude. Okay. Again, we are going to do one more sum in substitution method. 0.2x plus 0.2y is equal to 1.3, 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So now first we want to remove the decimal. So because once we remove the decimal, it becomes a whole number, then solving will be easier. So how do I eliminate the decimal point? Multiply the whole equation by 10. So when you multiply the whole equation by equation 1 by 10, you get this. Similarly, multiply equation 2 by 10. So you arrive at this. Now we have to proceed in the same way like the first sum. So what did you do in the first sum? Get the value of one variable in terms of the other variable. So I've got from equation 1, I'm getting the value of y as 13 minus 2x divided by 3. Then substitute that in the equation 2. Then see, I have called this as equation 4. I'm getting the value of y from equation 3. Then substitute it in equation 4. Then you get the value of, first you are going to get the value of x. X is equal to 2. So how do you get it? 3y is equal to this, y is equal to this. Then 4x plus 5y, this y alone I am substituting the value. Then 3 becomes the LCM. So 4 into the LCM is 3. So 4 should be multiplied by 3, 12x. 65 minus 10x. Then you cross multiply 23 into 3, 60, 23 into 3, 69. So finally you arrive at 2x plus 65 is equal to 69. 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Then after you find the value of x is equal to 2, substitute in either equation 3 or equation 4 to get the value of y. So after you substitute, you get the value of y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 is the answer. So write down the solution always. The solution can be written as ordered pair, or you can write it as x is equal to 2, y is equal to